Imagine this. You're sitting in your room, broke, staring at your bank account, wondering how to even start building wealth. Now fast forward just a few years. Financial freedom, investments working for you, and a lifestyle you designed. Sounds impossible? Well, it's not. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to build wealth from scratch in 2025, even if you're starting with nothing. Here's the truth. Before the money comes, the mindset has to change. Wealth is not about luck, it's about habits, discipline, and strategy. The wealthiest people in America didn't start rich. Think of Warren Buffett delivering newspapers as a kid, or Oprah growing up with almost nothing. They built wealth step by step. So the first step, shift your mindset from consumer to creator, from spender to investor. Every dollar you earn should be treated as a little soldier, either working for you or wasted on things that lose value. Energetic tone, visual examples pop on screen. Now let's talk money. To build wealth from scratch, you need income, period. In 2025, you have more opportunities than ever before. Side hustles, freelancing, content creation, or learning a high-demand skill like coding, copywriting, or AI tools. Remote work and online gigs. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even TikTok, YouTube can create income streams. Small business. Start something scalable. An online store, a service-based business, or digital products. Remember, your income is the foundation. The bigger your income, the faster you can build wealth. Most people stay broke not because they don't earn, but because they spend everything. The rule is simple. Live below your means now so you can live above your means later. Cut unnecessary subscriptions. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Create a monthly budget where at least 20–30% of your income goes to savings and investments. It's not about being cheap. It's about being strategic. This is where the magic happens. You cannot save your way to wealth. You need your money to grow. In 2025, here's where smart Americans are investing. Stock market and ETFs, low-cost index funds like S&P 500, give steady long-term returns. Real estate, rental properties, or even fractional real estate apps make it accessible. Online businesses and digital assets. Ebooks, courses, or even AI-driven businesses. High-yield savings and bonds. Not sexy, but safe and reliable for stability. And here's a golden rule. Don't chase quick money. Focus on compounding, slow, steady growth that snowballs into serious wealth over time. The average millionaire has 7 streams of income. One paycheck won't make you wealthy. Build multiple streams: job or business income, side hustle investments, real estate cash flow, online content or royalties, dividends and interest, passive digital income. Diversify, so if one fails, the others keep you afloat. Here's the not-so-glamorous truth. Wealth takes time. Most people quit too early. Building wealth is like going to the gym. You don't see abs after 2 workouts. But after consistent effort, the results become undeniable. Stay patient, keep learning, and protect your money mindset. Surround yourself with people who talk about opportunities, not just problems. So, can you build wealth from scratch in 2025? Absolutely. Start with the right mindset. Grow your income, control your spending, invest smart, build multiple streams, and stay disciplined. The best part? You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start. If this video gave you value, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial freedom tips, and comment below. What's your #1 money goal for 2025? I'd love to read your answers.